headed to a no heat today. It was about 35 degrees this morning, so it's pretty cold for us. But thermostat's blank. So what do you think it is? Do you think it's a float switch? Do you think it's a low voltage short? Do you think it's high voltage burnout from the electric heat? That's what I'm thinking. Alright, here she is. And so we got a blown fuse. And I found this guy fried behind the defrost board. Checked all the wires, tested the board, ran it through time defrost and everything, sped it up. Check the contactor on that out, check the electric relays, check the pressure switches. It's all good. I think this guy caused our low voltage short.